Welcome back. Let's talk about relays. How to connect the relay. This is base of relay and this is relay. Here usually you have scheme about how contacts are connected. I will put scheme here. Theoretically, those two, 14 and 13, is a coil or trigger. It's like this signal will activate the coil, and these two, 12 and 9, are common. This will be plus, this will be minus. These contacts are usually normally open, but you can see also it here, this specification. And these two contacts usually are normally closed. Let's connect it and see if I'm right. Okay, let's turn it on and make a test. As you see, everything works perfectly. When the coil is activated, or not all normally closed contacts are open and all normally open contacts are closed. This is one way how to connect it. And this is second one, how to connect it. In first connection, plus and minus were going through relay. Now only one plus is going through a relay, and this is working like just open contact. Benefit of this connection is that there won't be closed circuit, because theoretically when we turn off relay, we took off both paths, like minus and plus. Okay, now I connected the proximate switch to this relay here in trigger port, and relay is connected to this pneumatic valve. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.